Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 7, tribes, nomads and settled communities. Here by name we come to know that this lesson is about tribes, a people mostly who live in forest area, and nomads, the people who move from one place to another place for their livelihood. And third one, settled communities, about the kingdom which were there. About that we are going to study. In our subcontinent, the society, the settled society was there, which was ruled by the king, and the kingdom was dominated by mostly the Brahmanas. According to the rules and regulation of Varna, the society was running. Students, you know about 4 Varna. Today also it is there. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. The occupation is divided according to the Varna, like the work of education, advice was related with Brahmanas, and the safety of the kingdom, it was in the hand of Kshatriya, and Vaishya they were doing the work of sailor, or they be doing the work of agriculture. And the last one was Shudra. Mostly they do the work of cleanliness. This was the society which was settled, but there was a society which do not follow these rules and regulation. They were far from the settled life, the kingdom. They were living in forest area, desert area, mountain area, and there was not a caste system. They were not divided into many castes, which was inequality in the society. They were related with the blood relation. They were living in forest area, and they were called tribe people, and they mostly do, some were doing the work of agriculture, some were hunter and gatherers. They hunt the animal, they gather fruits and vegetables from the forest, and in this way they survive in the forest area. They were not obeying the rules of settled life of the kingdom. Sometimes there was a conflict between the settled kingdom and the tribe people. This was the condition of society. Next topic is here, who were tribal people. About tribal people, because they live in such condition, in in such places where normal people cannot reach. That is why the historians and the other traveler from the foreign country, they have not written about the tribe people. About them, much information is not available from the historians, but the tribal people preserve their rich custom and oral tradition. These were passed from one generation to another generation orally. They teach to the people of their clan. In present time, historians have started using such oral tradition to write about the tribe people, because they are getting information from their old tradition, which is orally learned by the tribe people. In our subcontinent, in India or subcontinent, many clans are there. About them, in Punjab area, Khokhar, in 13th century, they were dominating, they were in power. After them, Ghakhar become powerful, and was chieftain of that Ghakhar tribe, Kamal Khan Ghakhar. He was Mansabdar at the time of Akbar. And Langas and Arghans, the tribes were there in Multan, present time in Pakistan, and also in this area, this is known as Baluchistan. The Balus tribe lived there. At the time of rule of Akbar, Cheras were living in this area, in Bihar area. They were defeated by the Mughals, but after the death of Aurangzeb, they also started their rule according to them. In this way, about tribe people, the available information is very less, and they are described by the historians only from the orally knowledge which was given by the tribe people to their generation.